Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cyrus Creations, and today we are doing another sewing project. I'm pretty excited for this. Let's head to our today project. Alright, so I have here a very nice fabric, especially good in a fall, plain dress, but I really want to have a volume in this dress. For that I'm using these ribbon lace today. And of course this lace is from Dollar Tree stores, so in $1 we gonna bring volume in our this dress. We just gonna attach this lace. See that I love those because it's feel like a really crochet lace, beautifully made. And these are from Dollar Tree store. And we simply just gonna pin up those and then gonna sew them. And if you don't have a sewing machine, you can use any fabric glue, and also you can use a hand needle for this project. It's not like really complicated, but you will see after using this lace our dress gonna look more nicer and really nice. So sometimes you can pick your old dress, but this dress is a new. I still have a tag on that. So before wearing this, I really wanted to work on that one. All right, I'm gonna use repeat the same method on this side and on around this circle. As you can see, it's a pretty much pin up, and I still have this much lace from 3 yarn, and I have another roll of lace too, which I'm gonna use on my bottom, back and front. So let's head to our sewing spot now. All right, I should take off this because that will help me just so easily through my neckline. So because this dress is already so it can be a little bit tricky for you. Just be careful, don't sew on back side fabric with your front side. As you can see, our outline is already done. I'm gonna stitch now inside. Alright friends, as you can see, after sewing our lace on our dress turned out to very pretty. And today within $1 we have created new look on our plain dress, and I'm really happy with the look. And it's see, even on a cuff it's look very pretty. And then I have used even on the bottom with a frill, and this turned out to very pretty. So let's comments below if you really like this idea, and subscribe to my YouTube channel Cyrus Creations for more DIY sewing cooking projects. God bless you all. Bye bye.